Hi guys, welcome to our functions black book solving. My name is Amol Mode. Okay, so the question is saying that we need to find the values of a and b for this particular function to be equal to 2 has four distinct solutions. So the approach for this question should always be graphical. So first of all, let us understand what is the graph for e raised to x. Now e raised to x graph is so simple, everyone knows that this has to be the graph, but what they have done is they have put a mod. Okay, so first of all let us understand this point is 0 comma 1. Okay, now they have put the mod. Whenever they put the mod, what you should do is rub whatever is in the second and third quadrant. Okay, it means wherever x is negative, rub that graph. So now I am changing this graph to e raised to mod x. Okay, so I have rubbed the part where x was negative, and then because of mod x the same graph will be copied over here, and this is how it gets copied. Okay, now they have asked us e raised to mod of x minus b. Now e raised to x, this exponent could be put literally anything, so it does not matter to us actually. So directly we can say that this graph is for e raised to mod of x minus b. So it means b can be any real number. It does not really matter what is b, because e raised to inside the power we can put literally anything. So just by looking at the options we see b equal to 0, b equal to 0 and b equal to a. So these are not the necessary conditions for the answer to be four distinct solutions. So b belongs to r is there in only one option. So c has to be the correct option. But still we will solve this question thoroughly so as to understand the basics. Now what they have done is they have subtracted minus a from it. Okay, it means the graph will be pulled down a units. The graph will be pulled down a units. So every y coordinate will be subtracted with a. So what will we do is we will put this graph like this, and this particular point is the shifting of what? Let us see. This particular point is the shifting of I'll put that over here, is the shifting of 0 comma 1. It means what? This has to be 0 comma 1 minus a. This has to be 0 comma 1 minus a. This has been pulled down by a units. Okay, so this has been pulled down. Now let us have a look at this particular part. This graph is for e raised to mod of x minus b minus a. But what they have done is they have put a mod over here also. So simply what we will do, they have put a mod for whole graph. It means wherever your y is negative, just rub that and flip it on the positive side. So I will flip it on the positive side with a red pen. Same thing should be flipped. Now what we are actually doing is we are making the negative y coordinates positive. So first of all let us understand that this has to be rubbed. So let us rub this. Now we have made the y coordinate positive. It means what? It means 0 comma this 1 minus a will turn into a minus 1. This will be it, because we have done the y coordinate to be positive. Now they have asked us this to be equal to 2. Okay, and this should have four distinct solutions. Now this y equal to 2 line, suppose it is present over here, it is cutting the graph two times, so that cannot be present over there. Even this line cannot be present over here because it will cut at two different points. I want it to cut the graph at four distinct points. See, it cut the graph at four distinct points. It means this a minus 1, this is, let us say, y equal to 2. this a minus 1 has to be always greater than 2. A minus 1 should always lie above 2, but it cannot be equal to 2. If it is equal to 2, what will happen? 1, 2, 3 solutions will be there. So it cannot be equal to 2. So a greater than 3. Therefore, a belongs to 3 to infinity is our correct option. Let us go back to the options. So a belongs to 3 to infinity and b belongs to any real number is the correct option. Thank you for watching the video, guys.